Doctor, he's my brother. He's my younger brother. And he's 77 years old. He's just completed, I think, last month he's completely decided. This problem he's facing since last 2 years. I think it was not very bad, but he was told in Delhi or US? Delhi. He's got to get it done. So then he went to US to meet his son and stayed there for 6 months. After coming back, he met Dr. Gandhi. And Dr. Gandhi very nicely explained to him that this is the thing, what he's got to undergo, and his operation should be done as early as possible. So he took the appointment, and your administrative team was very kind enough to go to his place, explain to him everything, collect all the money. Everything was collected at his place, and he was straight away admitted on the decided day. We all came with him, we got him admitted, we signed the necessary papers, and within I think two hours the operation was done, and he was feeling very well. He was talking to me as if nothing has done. Maybe because it was local anesthesia, and he got to his legs were movable after about 4-5 hours. So since then, till then, he was absolutely pain-free, talking very well. And with Dr. Shivani's help and help of all the nursing members, nursing staff, so he recovered very well. So we came for 2-3 days here, and he was, I think, asked to go home after 3 days. So we took him home. He's feeling absolutely fine, and this is his second visit after the operation. And today his stitches were removed very nicely, painless. Everything went very well. We are thankful to Dr. Gandhi and Dr. Shivani and the staff. And this hospital has really been very good. Though I lived in this area since last 50 years. I have been to Ruby Hall and Jahangir Nursing Home. This is the first time I stepped in this hospital, and my experience is also very good. So thank you so much, Dr. Gandhi and Dr. Shivani and all the doctors and staff members. Thank you.